Mocking a function to raise an exception to test an accept block. I have a function, foo, which calls another function, bar. If invoking bar raises an error, I want to handle it specially if the status code is 404, otherwise re-raise. I am trying to write some unit tests around this foo function, mocking out the call to bar. Unfortunately, I am unable to get the mocked call to bar to raise an exception which is caught by my accept block. Here is my code which illustrates my problem. I followed the mock docs which say that you should set the side underscore effect of a mock instance to an exception class to have the mocked function raise the error. I also looked at some other related Stack Overflow Q and as, and it looks like I am doing the same thing they are doing to cause an exception to be raised by their mock. This URL, how to use Python mock to raise an exception, but with erno set to a given value. Why is setting the side underscore effect of barmock not causing the expected exception to be raised? If I am doing something weird, how should I go about testing logic in my accept block?
Your mock is raising the exception just fine, but the error.rest.status value is missing. Rather than use return underscore value, just tell mock that status is an attribute. Additional keyword arguments to mock are set as attributes on the resulting object. I put your foo and bar definitions in a my underscore tests module, added in the para class so I could use it too, and your test then can be ran to success. You can even see the print 404%s%error.message line run, but I think you wanted to use error.content there instead. That's the attribute a para sets from the second argument, at any rate.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.